In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change font size and colors in Godaddy. First, sign in to your Godaddy product page. Once you are logged in, go to the website section and select Edit Website. This opens your website editor, where you can make visual changes directly from the main workspace. If you are new to the editor, the center area is your live preview, and this is where you will work with the text you want to update. Next, click directly on the block of text that you want to format. Make sure you are selecting the actual text area in the center preview workspace, not just the section around it. This is important because the formatting tools appear when the text itself is active. After that, use your cursor to highlight the specific words or lines you want to change. You do not have to update the entire text block if you only want to style part of it. Highlighting only the text you need gives you more control over the final look. As soon as the text is selected, a floating inline formatting menu will appear. This menu usually shows up just above or below the selected text. It gives you quick access to the main styling options without needing to leave the page or open another settings panel. From that floating menu, click the Font Size Selector drop-down. This lets you adjust how large or small the text appears on your page. Choose a size that improves readability and fits the design of your website. If the text looks too large or too small, you can simply choose a different option until it feels balanced. To change the text color, click the font color icon, which appears as a color circle in the same floating menu. This opens your color palette, where you can select the color you want to apply. Try to use colors that match your brand and remain easy to read against the background. Clear contrast is especially helpful for visitors viewing your site on different screen sizes. Once you are happy with the new font size and color, go to the top right corner and click Publish. This makes your styling changes live on your website so visitors can see the updated version right away. That covers everything you need to know.